Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 GLA. The Mercedes GLA class offers the versatility of a hatchback, but with the power of a sports car. The exterior styling is aggressive and resembles that of other Mercedes models. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, power brakes, rear fog light, braking assist, regenerative braking system, traction control. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.